Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is August 15th, Independence Day. So just kids are celebrating in their own way because there's no school. Usually they go to school for flag hosting, but today they are just doing it at home itself in their own way.
Happy Independence Day!
So I have to start my lunch preparation. I'm planning to do ghee rice with vegetable kurma. So first thing I've just cut a lot of vegetables, mixed vegetables, and I've just added some salt here with sufficient water, and I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes in a medium flame. So then I'm going to take half a glass of milk, and I've added about 8 cashew nuts here for this particular vegetable kurma. Here I have just soaked out 2 big glass of urd dal for making vada. So let this get soaked for 2 to 3 hours. Today I am going to show you the Vadamala Puja, which I am going to make in my own way in my house. So that is a Anjaneya Puja. So I am going to show you that also in this particular vlog. So I have taken one small size coconut here, 4 green chilies, 1 spoon of soap. So I am going to make a very fine paste out of this along with cashew nut that I have soaked out in the milk. So let us make a paste. So I've added some water here. I'm going to make a very fine paste out of this 4 ingredients, and then we'll start with our cooking. So here in a pan I've added 3 to 4 spoon of oil and 2 bay leaf, 3 elaichi, 5 to 6 long and 2 inch of cinnamon stick. So we are going to add all this along with the bay leaf. So little bit of curry leaves, this is optional, and I've added 2 medium size onion. I've cut them into pieces. So let us fry all this together. We are going to add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste also. So I've just cut some tomatoes also, 3 big size tomatoes. So I have added that also after adding ginger garlic paste. So we are going to add 1 spoon of salt
Chili
here
powder.
and 1 spoon of chili powder also. So remember we have added salt while cooking the vegetables also. So here I have added a little bit of pudina, that is optional. So I am going to add all the vegetables after adding pudina. So I have added everything here. It is cooked really good, and I have just mixed it, and right now I have just added the coconut paste that I have done. So let's mix all this together very well. We are going to boil this along with 1 glass of water. Add a little bit of coriander and close it and keep it for 10 minutes in a medium flame. After 10 minutes I've just removed the lid out, and you can see the kurma is done, but I need little more thicker consistency, so I'm going to boil it in a medium flame for 10 minutes. I'm not going to close the lid. So I'm just cleaning the countertop also side by. So kurma is done. I'm transferring in another bowl. So before doing ghee rice, I have to clean the entire kitchen, and even the house. I've swept it out, but I have to mop it. So let's do all these things, then go ahead with our ghee rice. So today I'm going to do Anjaneya Puja also. I'm going to do it only in the evening. Either you have to do in the early morning or do it in the evening. I chose to do in the evening, and I'm going to prepare vada and make a garland out of it, and just do some kesari bath also, and do a naivedyam and complete this puja. So this is how the puja has to be done. I'll show you the entire process what I am going to do for this particular puja today. So this is Anjaneya Vadamala Puja, we call it as. So we'll start with that also after we complete our lunch preparation also. Now I started applying turmeric and kumkum in front of the doors, puja room door and main door. So this is the basic thing I do in every festival or any small puja. Without this I don't start my puja. So this is a must and should process for me. in a pan I have taken some oil. I'm going to add 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 star ananas, 10 cloves and 5 to 6 green chili. I've just let it out and some bay leaves here. So let's add all this into the oil. I'm going to add about 3 big size onions here. I've sliced it out. So let's mix all this very well and fry all this together. So this is the lunch preparation that is happening now. I'm not going to do Anjaneya Puja right now because usually the Anjaneya Puja either you can do it early morning or after 6 in the evening. So I'm going to do one in the evening today. So this is the lunch preparation. You've seen I've done the kurma. Kurma is done already. And I'm just preparing for the ghee rice. So see the onions are fried really well now. So we have to add rice in this. So after adding the rice, let's give a very good mix. I'm going to add a handful of coriander and handful of pudina. I've just cut both together and I have added it. So let's give a very good mix here. So for 1 glass of rice, we are going to add 1.5 glass of water. Don't add more than that. The ghee rice will not come out good. So I have taken 3 cups of rice. So I am adding the sufficient amount of water here. So now we are going to add some salt here. I have added 2 spoons of salt. I am going to fry ginger garlic paste here. This is a homemade ginger garlic paste. I have taken 1 spoon of ghee and I am going to fry this ginger garlic paste very well along with the ghee, and then we are going to add this into the cooker and then we will leave it to whistle. So mix it very well and now we are going to give 2 whistles in a medium flame. Now I am going upstairs to dry out the clothes because the kids are not there, they have gone out. So I'm just going upstairs and just make sure that I dry out all the clothes because every day in the evening usually it starts raining in Bangalore. So I just went upstairs, I have dried out the clothes. So now I have to go out after my lunch and buy some things also for evening Anjaneya Puja. So there's some things that I've just listed it out which I have to go and buy right now after my lunch. So now in a ghee I've added some cashew nuts and I'm going to add some dry grapes also. So now the ghee rice is done. So we are just going to give this tempering on top of the ghee rice and mix it very well. So our ghee rice will be done now. So just add the tempering and mix it very well along with the ghee rice. This is the final look of the ghee rice. It had come out really well. The smell is too great and I've started serving it now because it's already 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm going to serve this and then go out for shopping and then come back and start preparing for the Anjaneya Puja. So I'm going to serve this ghee rice along with the kurma that I've made. So this is a very good combination. You can try this particular combination. It'll be too good, or you can even serve with simple raita. So I started decorating with some flowers in front of the door to make it more attractive. So now I have come back home and I just went out to market. The reason is the basic requirement is flowers, coconut, and I needed to buy betel leaf, of course, banana that is required for today's puja. So I bought some fruits also, apple, guava. I bought some pineapples. I have taken some sweet corn also. So you all know the must and should item for puja is banana, betel leaf, and coconut. So this is compulsorily that we use for our puja. So this is a main thing that I did not have at home. You can see the coconut is so nice. I've just taken coconuts, 4 big size coconuts here. So now let us keep all this in a right place, and I'm going to start making Naivedyam. So first preparation is the Kesari Bath. So you all know how to make Kesari Bath, so I'm not showing you in detail. So I've just started making Kesari Bath. I've used Kesar color here because when you do Naivedyam to Anjaneya, we normally use this orange color. So I've used this and I've added all the cashew nut and Christmas here. I've fried them in ghee. So I'm going to keep this in a puja room right now. We are done with Naivedyam here. So now the second thing is for Naivedyam is Urdvada. So I've soaked out the Urdvada, you all know. So now I'm just adding 1.5 spoon of peppercorn here, and I'm going to add urd dal, soaked urd dal. I've soaked it along with 2 spoon of rice also for 2 to 3 hours. And now I'm going to add some salt here. So let's grind all this into a fine paste without adding water. So I started making vadas also because it's time to do our puja. So the vada is done and I came to the puja room. I started decorating the puja room with flowers. Happy Independence Day. You have seen my morning to evening vlog today, and you have seen the way I have done today's Anjaneya Puja. This is the Vadamala Puja, we call it as. So if you like my channel, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
How is it?
Nice.
Nice, you like?